Prompt templates are the secret ingredient to better conversations with AI. They transform vague inquiries into precise commands. Imagine being able to unlock the full potential of models like ChatGPT. With the right approach, you save time and get high-quality answers every time. Think of prompt templates like recipes in cooking. Just as a recipe outlines the steps and ingredients needed for a dish, prompt templates provide structured frameworks for AI responses. They help ensure you get the most delicious results every time you ask a question. Prompt templates are structured frameworks that guide AI models like ChatGPT. They include clear instructions and contextual details. For example, instead of asking a broad question, you might instruct, explain why exercise is important for children. This directs the AI to focus on a specific topic and improve response quality. Many people make the mistake of asking vague questions. They type something like, "Tell me about dogs." This approach usually leads to broad and unsatisfactory answers. By not using prompt templates, they miss out on more accurate and useful responses that specific templates could provide. For example, if you're looking for productivity tips, a prompt template could be, "List 5 productivity hacks for remote workers." This structure directs the AI specifically. It leads to focused and actionable advice instead of generic suggestions. Clear templates bring clarity for the user. Specificity is essential in prompts for optimal AI responses. A well-structured template is like a guiding star. The more precise your prompt, the better the AI understands your needs. For instance, asking, "What are health benefits of a dog for families?" guarantees a focused response aligned with your context. Prompt templates streamline interactions by creating clear pathways for AI responses. They act like a roadmap, guiding the AI to produce quick and accurate answers. When provided with structured input, AI models can efficiently process and return relevant outputs, saving time and enhancing your experience. Creating your own prompt templates can significantly enhance your AI interactions. Start by identifying the specific information you want. Then, structure your request clearly. For example, ask, "What are 3 tips for effective studying?" Explore the benefits as you refine the templates to your personal needs. Remember these key points. 1. Prompt templates help you ask more precise questions. 2. Specificity leads to better AI responses. 3. Creating your own templates enhances interaction quality. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your AI tools with these insights. You now have the tools to make the most out of your AI interactions. Subscribe for more tips like these. Share your created templates in the comments below to help others. Let's start maximizing our AI experiences together.